In this episode, we leave the East Macdonnell Ranges and head to the West Macs for more waterholes, gorges, just some being silly, but no more singing. How is it?
Probably some coldest water from swimming. All those people that say Australia is just a dry, arid place.
Okay.
You're right. Dry. Dust.
Morning!
That was exciting.
I'm always excited.
You are. So how did you enjoy that walk, Alex?
Yeah, it was alright.
Was it alright?
Much easier than some of the walks we've done.
Nice being out of the sun at least here.
Nice breeze.
Yep.
Something different. Well, not that different. We've walked along top of the gorge and now walking through the gorge. We are at Ormiston. I think that's how you say it.
Ormiston. There's a suburb in Queensland called Ormiston.
Yeah. Gets deep real quick. So we've just done a 2k hike from the car park all the way down there up to Mount Sonder Lookout. Just the 2k scramble down with our good old-fashioned old knees to go. You're like a kid that's being like made to go to school and you really don't want to go.
So, this is Redbank Gorge. Pretty cool. You can keep going up there. Apparently it's freezing, so we'll see. Could be really cold, could also be beautiful. What do you reckon? Just go for it. Good thing I got sunglasses. Come on, cool. Cool kids. So I swam, 150 metres up gorge. That's about as far as I want to go. Bit of grossness. Now I just get to go back down through beautiful gorge. Just really crystal clear waters. So spectacular. final little swim out. It was good fun.
So we are at Redbank Gorge. Justin has just been for a freezing cold swim.
Yep.
Is this your favourite one of the three, do you think?
Definitely.
So this is our third water hole or fourth water hole. It's about a 2k walk to get here, but it's pretty quiet because of that reason.
Other than us.
It's got a beautiful kind of beachy bit to get in, and the gorge is stunning.
Now,
Red cabbage palms for learning some stuff.
that's a red cabbage palm, and it's only found here. And in,
No, only here.
isn't it in Kakadu as well?
No, their closest relative.
Oh,
Their long lost aunt.
only found here. So this is to go with the other palm that we saw at Carnarvon, which was only found there. Thinking about becoming a horticulture guide. What do you reckon?
I think sounds good. This is the big one. This is the green one. This is the big green one.
It's a sticky one with the sharp bits. Or out here, it's a yellow one with the thorny things, which is just about everything.
Ooh.
Ooh. This is Alex Attenborough. What is that type of tree?
It's a ghost gum.
Well descripted.
Described.
A long climb out.
Ooh.
All 40 steps. How was the Valley of Palms?
It was
Palm
cool.
Valley.
We've seen many a gorge, but that was our first gorge with palms.
What? Filming what the people want.
What, your face?
More Justin.
More Justin.
Less gorges.
More gorgeous.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, do you like that?
I did. Oh, almost.
I can sing my song again if you want.
No.
Sometimes it pays to chat to your neighbours in the campsite. After an awesome walk in the Palm Valley, we headed to the Mapara walk, which is recommended as one of our new friends' favourite walks of the country, and it didn't disappoint. That was the West Max and Think Gorge. If you liked it, please click subscribe. Next time, we're at Uluru and Kings Canyon.